We have finished the Mercedes E53 project, and what a pleasure it's been to work on a lovely, lovely car and install such a gorgeous system. Towards the end of today's video, we're actually going to do a before and after sound test for you guys. I know you guys have been begging us to do it, and that is exactly what we've done. So let us know your thoughts in the comments below. But today's video, we're showcasing the entire project to you guys at home. I hope you enjoy. Let's go. I'm going to show you exactly what's going on around the system on this E53. So what we've done is fully soundproof the vehicle, but we've got that massive Hertz 12-inch sub, which provides a massive increase in bass. This is what Mercedes call a sub. This is what we call a sub. This is all being reupholstered, all really nicely done. But one of our main things, our client didn't want to take up too much room. It's exactly what we've achieved, but still adding in massive bass. The way we've done this is a really beautiful way. This is basically fabricated completely in-house. Carl has been building this actual sub box itself, and he's done a phenomenal job of it. This is built out of fiberglass as well as MDF to build a really nice structure, allow for the retention, obviously the boot strap here to fold down. But when we actually take this out here, you've actually still got access to the battery. You've got two amplifiers in this system. They're both mounted underneath the floor, taking up literally no room whatsoever. All very serviceable. Adjusting everything's really easy. And then we've actually, to be able to put this sub here, what we've actually managed to do is relocate the factory amplifier and factory equipment and modules from behind this side all the way to the other side on a new custom board, which is really nice. In terms of the rear speakers, what we've actually got here, these have gone into a stock location, and these are the original speakers. We've not changed them at all. What we have done for our client is changed over to the Burmeister grille, just to add a little bit more color into the rear of the vehicle, but they are stock. We have added a little bit of soundproofing in there, but the main focus is that front end. So what we've actually got here is the new tweeter, which is the Audison Voce tweeter, which sits into a new location here. Then we've got the Audison Voce 3-inch mid, and right down in the kickwells, we've got that Audison Prima AP8. What that product is, providing a massive difference in mid-bass performance, and these are dealing with those higher frequencies and the clarity. The other thing the client was actually struggling with when he bought the car was that overall volume was really low and very muffled. Now it's crystal clear, and we're actually going to jump in the car and show you exactly how it sounds. So let's actually have a listen to how the system sounds. Hold up right there. We actually can take you back to episode 1 of this series, where we did a little bit of a sound test before the system went in to now the upgraded system, and you can actually have a side-by-side comparison of the two systems. It's not very loud at all, is it? Wow, massive difference. Yeah, you can really feel that bass. Yeah, you can really feel that. That's insane. Massive difference. Literally, you got volume increase, definition, massive bass increase. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned for the whole video and the whole series. I hope you have enjoyed it. You've seen some more features being added to our video content. So let us know in the comments below exactly what you think, but also help us out, guys. Smash that subscribe button, like the video, but also share it with friends and family or someone that might be interested in having something similar done to their vehicle. It's been an absolute honor and privilege to work on such a gorgeous car for our client. I'm sure he's going to love the system, and he's going to enjoy driving the vehicle with that beautiful new sound system installed. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Yeah.